because of community, yeah, you're right, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, no, that's a connection that was for it,
But I have on good authority that this film editing is actually seamless, so, not a peak fire observation.
Also, it's just funny to think, broadly in retrospect, right? It's like the villains who we're looking at here. It's like, well, sci-fi did it. It's like, what the fuck was that? You're like, Samuel Stearns. I guess his role in the whole film is to just piss off Harrison Ford enough that he turns into Red Hulk, who is, I guess, the dude, not really villain, more antagonistic force at the end. What a mess, you know? And it's just so little focus. Compare, of course, with Captain America 1, basically just a soldier Hitler man. Captain America 2, an organization that's corrupted the shit out of what is supposed to be good for evil, personified in his friend. So this like corruption in him that he has to solve. And 3, the repercussions of an uncontrolled and unaccountable force that like it's so good that truly just does whatever it wants. And reflected in, I'd say, Steve's choice to not tell the truth. Because he did it. It's like, I just, the whole like lacks heart, lacks bottom line. Just like, yeah, the villain's impact on each of these films is actually so much more important than the ends you almost ever realized about here. It was always a problem they had. The villain were fantastic. Based on, I think that was